Our company released TeslaCloud standalone server. In this video we will describe this version and describe how to install and system requirements of TeslaSCADA. Also we will show how to make first settings up to use it. Let's see description of TeslaCloud on our site. TeslaCloud is a part of TeslaSCADA ecosystems. It's a central part for remote access by using TeslaSCADA runtime clients from any device. TeslaSCADA runtime's role is intermediate part from the PLC devices to collect data and provide it to TeslaCloud that you can watch by using web browser or TeslaSCADA runtime clients. Descriptions of TeslaCloud you can find in our user manual, TeslaCloud. TeslaCloud standalone server you can find on this part, and you can find system requirements for TeslaCloud. You can use any operating you should use Linux operating systems and any device with these requirements. It could be Raspberry Pi, for example, or any single board PC. Installation described here. We will use in our example automatic connection installation. Let's connect to our server. To do it we use SSH. Password. And to install TeslaCloud you use this script. But we already installed to save time for this video, and you can test by opening web browser on the address. By default you have two users admin with password 123456, and you can see profile. You can change password here for admin. Server info were installed, ports that used for TeslaCloud server, license, and you can change language. For example, you can have at this moment English, Russian, and Espanol. And to set up TeslaCloud, you should opt TeslaSCADA ID. And we have our project that we use for quick start tutorials for ventilation system. And to set up TeslaCloud settings, open project properties, cloud, and IP of our server, user name, password, and by default you can set up group ID, HNode ID, device ID for network address of the tags of this device. Also you can set up cloud cards for any tag. Enable cloud and use card. We set up only one card just for example. Now we open this in TeslaSCADA runtime and connect to our Modbus device. In our case it's Modbus emulator, and provide this data in our cloud. Just open like user, the second user that installed defaultly, it's user with password 111111 6 times 1, and we can see our card that we set up. Let's change on our Modbus emulator value, and you can see it displayed, and you can see history of this value. And now you can open screens, because our TeslaCloud lets you demonstrate screens for this project. And you can open history also, and events. And you can check settings up for devices. In our case, it's on. And uncheck off. That's all. It's first demonstrations of possibilities of standalone server, and you can use it in your enterprises or in your home automation projects, for example. In next videos, I will show how to use, for example, with connection with Arduino devices. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask by email or now.